10 years, this has been one of the leading brands. It's light and thin, but watch. There's your problem. You want a light, thin pole, that's what you get. You get a SimPole, and this is one of my lightest ones, 1.3, and it didn't crack. But you can stress a 100% high mod pole. This is 55 MSI. Now the new SimPoles being 63 MSI and 3K carbon fiber, you can run a truck over it. You're never going to break it. And yet this pole at 36, well no, about 30 is like 3 pounds, 4 pounds. You can't beat it. And the Kevlar is almost indestructible. So think about that next time you go out and you want a cheap pole. This is what's going to happen in time. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Why I don't make a cheap pole.